If you're thinking about starting a nonprofit in California, you need to know that there are three different types of nonprofit corporations, and you need to decide which one is right for your organization. So let's jump right in. The first type is a public benefit corporation. Their mission is to serve the general public or broad segments of the public. So this is your typical charity. These are organizations that serve the homeless, protect the environment, or provide education. And a key distinction here is that you can get 501c3 status, and donations to the organization can then be tax deductible for the donor. Also, assets of the organization are going to be dedicated to the public good forever. So next up, we have mutual benefit corporations. So these nonprofits do not serve the public interest, but instead just the interest of their members. So these are homeowners associations, professional associations, or private clubs. But here's a key difference. Generally, donations to mutual benefit corporations are not tax deductible for the donor. And finally, we have religious corporations. So as the name implies, they serve a religious purpose. So these are organizations like churches, synagogues, mosques, or religious schools. And they must follow specific rules that apply to religious corporations in California. And generally, they do enjoy tax deductions. So to recap, public benefit corporations serve the public. Mutual benefit corporations serve their members, and religious corporations serve a religious purpose. Now, in terms of tax deductions for donations, generally yes. For public benefit, generally no. For mutual benefit and religious organizations, typically yes. And then finally, when you dissolve these corporations, what happens to the assets? For a public benefit corporation, their assets must go to another charity. Mutual benefit, the assets can be distributed to the members, but only after debts are paid. And finally, religious corporations, their assets typically must be distributed to another religious organization. So choosing the right type of nonprofit corporation is foundational for your legal structure, your long-term goals, and your fundraising. So make sure you understand the distinction and you choose wisely. But if you're still not sure or have other questions, you can reach out to us at the Public Good Law Firm.